So I'm going to shock you here.
Okay, now HDF door I can't do for this house.
HDF door. So you go take me down whether you finish or you sitting on it.
No, I don't already finish.
Okay, move. See.
This one the parlor.
Okay, this one the
lobby.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a back on.
Okay.
Lock on. Come on for
lock on key.
Lock on. Okay.
Now 2 times the lock.
Come on, then we will see.
Okay.
Okay, you will tell us because I need the door.
Okay, like this HDF door now. It's very strong and solid. You know they shift. You know they bend as it is so now so good day. In the next 10 years, this door be so now so good day. Not in the do one.
If I'm at with the cash, no excuse her.
For where I'm not get wetin dey do HDF.
What about this Chinese something where you put? So this one I go put. It's line.
Okay, no, lie. You get what they call iron gun.
Iron gun.
That will take the whole one. Yes, not way if you remove this thing as you see also.
Okay.
Except say you just use battle axe. Okay. This scatter the door. Now this thing will fit come out.
So you go open and we will see the back.
Okay.
Wow. Okay, open up.
Okay, this one are 2 bedroom.
Okay, this one are 2 bedroom. HDF. What are the spoil this one?
At all. You not get what they do.
Okay.
Now MDF, now what are the spoil?
Okay, open up. Look at that. Wow. The key when you put so I better keep this.
Yes, now this one are the original key. Now foreign key.
Okay, foreign key.
Now foreign key.
Okay.
Turkish key, now be this one.
Okay, Turkish. And they say inches there. That one I say 4 inches.
And I see 4 inches. But now 3 me they use.
Okay, 3.
Because of the may hold it off firm.
Okay.
You understand?
Most of the rest.
Okay. Like this one now. Now this one lead to the kitchen.
Okay, this one lead to the kitchen.
To the kitchen.
Wow.
You see now the kitchen be this one.
May I see the back of the kitchen?
Okay. As you know, they never do ties.
Hey, you don't want to ties, you know we are better?
No. The tile will end the ties. Just take round down the way it is so.
Okay. No, they take. No, we see the rest.
Okay, most see this one the.
No, if we come out,
Danny.
if we come outside, we will
okay.
Check. I'm always check inside first.
This one kitchen store. Where they store food items.
Okay. Like
rice, plantain. Many kitchen store. You know, say sometimes some of the owner they can't do chef.
Yes.
Where they are rich. Okay. So now the store be this.
At the store.
So the door will lead to the store. This apartment, this one are the front apartment, now 7 I do here.
Okay, 7.
This one I see it to bedroom.
Okay, look at me at the same. Back and from back. Open up. Let's see the back. HDF door.
Yes.
Okay.
A very solid door. This one I see the bedroom.
Okay.
Let's see this one.
I want for me to see the door. Open up for me.
No, say most people they like this black color. They like this color.
They fine.
So some of them, you will tell them say other color they'll say no.
Let's use black. So this is the way you do it now. The same measurement, the everything.
For this apartment, have the same measurement.
Okay. We'll go see the rest. Okay. We'll see the one when you talk for us. Adios now. We'll say leak to.
Okay, to dining.
Okay, at the back with this.
Yeah, at the back.
The back of this. Okay, open. Come look.
No, they back myself.
You see the door by itself.
For you to know a good finishing of door, if you open door like this, the door they come by itself.
Wow.
They come.
What's that?
Will lock by itself. Now you think no say na good
like this
finishing.
Like this one what you do for here. Now how much cost you know what you do? Each one here.
Okay, each one na 170 I take do them.
Okay, 170. Now let here if you do work, appear another one see the way was it shows.
Other one see the back. Like this one, here na room parlor self contain. This one now, this one lead to the lobby. From here now.
Back I see
Back okay.
Open up. Yes, the back. Is it from here now? What is it?
Here na lobby now.
Okay, the lobby.
Self contain.
Okay.
Here na toilet. Why here lead to kitchen?
Yes, the one will lead to kitchen.
That be this one.
Okay, yeah, that lead to
Kitchen.
Okay. We'll go inside. Okay, open up. We'll see the remaining one.
Yeah, this one and I lead to the bedroom. As you can see.
Okay.
We're here now the bedroom now.
Okay, here I be the bedroom. Now here be the last one.
No, other one see the back.
We'll see.
So this apartment see be like this one way for the console. Now exactly. So now self-contained. This one not on the bedroom. So.
Back up. Open up. Okay.
So this one still lead to the lobby.
Okay, this one lead to the lobby.
Yeah.
Wow, yeah. The lobby is tight too.
Very small. Not to get space like that.
Okay.
So now the back with this one.
And at the back.
This one are the one lead to the kitchen.
Okay, this one.
This one at the front.
Okay.
See the back.
Okay, open up.
So now all be this. So all the door I do for this house now 30 pieces.
But as I said, that 30 pieces. So my people, I got fresh someone will take me and for do HDF door for here and it don't kill with the job. So I got what that name.
My name is Christopher Idausa.
Christopher is outside the furniture man.
Yes.
May can talk to you so many now. So how the person contact you, okay?
Okay, see me for through a do talk show.
Okay.
Now they call me, say he get work for me.
Okay.
Because say he want do HDF door. So he can't describe the place for me. He give a brother measure my contact.
Okay.
So now that I can the site, I can take the measurement
of the doors.
So I take the measurement, the number of the doors. So me and he can settle. So he can't give me money. Now I start the work.
So what you gonna tell the person?
Okay, I'll thank the person for giving me the job, and I'll still thank the people over there who never say compensate me. May they still try, I beg. May they still they remember me, because without them, now through them we take they survive for this side.
Okay.
So I will thank them, both the one who don't give me job, both the one who never give me.
Okay.
So may they still try, see they remember me here.
So my people now your guy.
So I'll see from there, see take thanks to our guy.
I don't talk show. Okay.
So for the good way they do for us, God go bless them. Or your power okay van or your power okay hane.
He said.
Yeah, ni Jesus.
He said. So my people now your guy Christopher the furniture man. Don't tell us the number of doors we do here, and just tell us the price for outside. I don't know whether you want the price we talk for us and I will see before you.
Yes,
I will say outside.
Now the same.
Okay, the same price. Say talk am again. How much?
Now 170,000.
Okay, 170,000. Okay, like how many weeks take you to do this work?
Okay, now 10 days I take one.
Okay, 10 days.
Yes.
Now you take do the work.
Now I take one also.
Okay, you will call your phone number when I want to after the show.
Okay, my phone number now 080-2599-0241.
On that number there?
No, only this one from now.
Okay, for now.
Yes.
WhatsApp and direct.
WhatsApp and direct.
My people, please support. I want to watch this video.